let us see at first the term sex duction. What is sex duction? Sex duction is a special type of conjugation which takes place between A prime cell and recipient cell. You know that this transformation takes place also between A plus and A minus strain. Transduction also takes place between the donor and recipient strain. Similarly, conjugation also takes place between the donor and recipient strain.
Recipient cell.
Like the transformation, transduction, and conjugation, there is also requirement of a donor cell and a recipient cell. But the donor cell in this case, that is in case of reduction, is a prime cell, and the recipient cell is just like in case of transformation, transaction, and conjugation. The main difference between the sex duction and other type of genetic recombination is that the donor cell in case of what is A prime? At first, you will have to make distinction between. You will have to do the research between the A prime and A prime strain and HFR strain and F plus strain. Let us look at the whiteboard at first. Let us look at this is the A plus strain here. Look at here. This is the A plus strain. A plus strain has the critical group which has been shown here in the green ink, and the F factor which is known as the fertility factor in the red ink. Both the bacterial genome and the fertility factor are made up of the double stranded circular DNA here. Look at this is the bacterial genome, and this is the fertility factor which is also known as the sex plasmid, and uh, and the fertility factor has been shown in the red ink, and the bacterial genome has been shown in the green ink. And this is the F plus strain. And these two remains, and the fertility factor is independent of the bacterial genome. It is not attached with the fertility factor is not attached with the this bacterial genome. The fertility factor is independent of this bacterial genome. In this case, when this fertility factor gets integrated into the bacterial genome here, look at this picture, look at this diagram. What happens here? That this fertility factor or the F factor gets integrated with the bacterial genome, and now this strain or now this cell is known as HFR strain. That is a high frequency. H for high, F for frequency, R for recombination. So this is known as high frequency recombination strain. How this HFR strain is formed? This HFR strain is formed due to the integration of the fertility factor with the bacterial genome. So now this is the HFR, and you know that these two form F plus strain and HFR strain are interchangeable. When this fertility factor gets dissociated from the bacterial genome, again it converts back into the F plus strain. And this conversion of this interconversion of F plus and HFR strain is based on the inclusion exclusion of the fertility factor in and from the bacterial chromosome. Now this what happens in the next diagram here. This is very important. This is very important here. Look at Anis here. This diagram is very important. See here what has been written here. When this HFR strain can revert to the F plus strain, and this can change into the F prime strain. HFR strain can give rise to the formation of F plus strain, or it can give rise to the formation of F prime strain. What happens during the formation of F prime strain? That when this fertility factor gets dissociated from the bacterial genome, it takes some gene of the bacterial chromosome. Let us look here that the green part is the green part shows the bacterial genome. What happens during the exclusion or dissociation of this fertility factor? Some bacterial genomic genes are also integrated with this fertility factor. And now this fertility factor is known as F prime. Now this structure, look here, now this structure is known as F prime factor. What is F prime factor? When the some gene of the bacterial chromosome gets integrated into the fertility factor, this leads to the formation of F prime factor, and such strains are known as F prime strain. It also acts as a donor strain. So now I think that clear. I think it is clear to you the differences between the F plus strain, HFR strain, and F prime strain. Anish, hello, Anish and Milind. Anish,
Sir, I got some.
now let plus and prime strain. Define all these three. Anish, I think that I have made it very clear by showing by showing you and pointing the differences between the F plus HFR and F prime strain. Let me know how F prime strain is formed. Just I have described the mechanism of the production of F prime strain. How F prime strain is formed from the HFR strain. Anish, tell me. Milind, Saloni, or anyone. Hi, let me know the difference. Anish, just I have to describe the mechanism of the production of the formation of F prime strain. Until and unless you do not know about the F prime strain, you cannot understand the sex duction. At first, you will have to know about the F prime strain. What is F prime strain? How F prime strain is formed from HFR strain? And again, I am repeating. If at first I want to make it very clear that this online teaching does not involve only the lecture delivered by a teacher. Rather, it involves interaction, positive interaction or live interaction with the students. And besides this, testing and evaluation of a student. The online teaching, which is being done across all over, across the India and across our state and the university, online teaching involves the delivery of lecture by the teacher, interaction with the student, testing of the students, and evaluation of the student. 4 components. There are 4 components of the and just your response. How can I know that what are you understanding by the delivery of the lecture? Let me know. Just again, I am going to again make you understand what is the difference. What is I am going to make you aware with these three forms: F plus, HFR, and F prime. I think that you might have studied bacteria. I think that you have already studied bacteria. So you know that the bacterial cell had the bacterial chromosome consisting of double-stranded circular DNA, and bacterial cells are monogenomic, having a single genome consisting of double-stranded circular DNA, and there are extranuclear genetic material present also in the bacterial cell, self-replicating and made up of self-replicating autonomous consisting of double-stranded circular DNA, and they are smaller in size than the bacterial chromosome. And such structures are known as the plasmids. And the number of plasmids in the bacterial cell varies from 1 to and more than that. And one of the plasmid is a very important, which is known as the sex plasmid, the fertility factor. And such bacterial cell which have fertility factor act as the donor cell, and such bacterial cell which does not have the fertility factor act as the recipient cell or the female cell. Now I have said you, I have made it clear here that the donor strains are of 3 types: F plus strain, HFR strain, and F prime strain. When this fertility factor is present in the bacterial cell is known as The fertility factor gets integrated in the bacterial chromosome. It gives rise to the production of cells. And these two forms are interchangeable. When the fertility factor gets integrated in the bacterial chromosome, it forms the HFRFN. And when this fertility factor gets removed or dissociated, it again F plus S10. In some cases, what happens is during the exclusion or during the dissociation of the fertility factor from the bacterial genome, the sex plasmid of fertility factor also incorporates some gene of the bacterial genome. And so now such fertility factor having some gene from the bacterial chromosome is known as the F prime factor, and such bacterial cell is known as F prime SN. Look at again this diagram. This green circular this is the green this is the circular double-stranded DNA which acts as the genomic DNA, and this fertility factor shown in the red ink also has some gene from this DNA, and now this fertility factor which have the some gene of this bacterial genome is known as F prime strain, and such bacterial cell is known as F prime strain. And now let us understand. Just I have defined the term that sex duction is a special